IRS tax refund 2023 update. We have the latest numbers updated on the IRS.gov website on your delayed tax returns. We have the refund tracker stages, updates, as well as statuses. We have the next direct deposit date shared. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another update. Let's begin with you can find the Where is My Refund tool to check the status of your 2022 tax return or your delayed returns on the IRS.gov website. You will need to have with you your return will be helpful, your tax return, because you will need your social security number, your filing status from your return, as well as the exact whole dollar amount of your expected refund. If you put in any of that information incorrectly, you will not receive a status update, especially if you put in the expected tax refund amount incorrectly and the other information is correct, you will still not receive a status update. So make sure to have your tax return with you. The tracker displays progress through 3 stages. Step 1 is your return received. Step 2, refund approved, and step 3, refund sent. Now here are some sample status refund updates you may receive while waiting for your tax return to be approved. This one states, we apologize, but your return processing has been delayed beyond the normal time frame. Usually, if you have this status, you may need to verify your identity. You may need to log into your IRS online account to verify your identity or call the IRS directly, or you can verify identity if you're unable to complete the process online by making an appointment with your local taxpayer center. Next, you may have a refund status of your tax return is still being processed. A refund date will be provided when available. I have a video on still being processed. I will pin it in the comment section. Make sure to check that video out. You will also receive a status return stating, we apologize, but your return processing has been delayed beyond the normal time frame. You can continue to check back here for the most up-to-date information regarding your refund. Now, if it is under the 21 days, you simply keep checking the Where's My Refund tool for a status update. If it has been way beyond the normal 21 days, you can start calling the IRS or the Taxpayer Advocate Service to check the status of your refund to make sure it is not delayed because of missing information or something on your part. All right, now moving on, our refund status update. We have received your return and it is being reviewed. This is the dreadful status update that no one wants. Topic 151, your appeal rights. This means your tax return was pulled for review. You may receive a letter in the mail stating that they are reviewing your tax return due to income tax withholding, tax credits, or business income. Make sure you continue to check your mail for notification. If the IRS need additional information from you, they will notify you by mail, and you need to respond as soon as possible to avoid any further delays. Now, when the IRS has finished your tax return, this is the refund status update you want to see. All 3 boxes have been filled. Return received, refund approved, and refund sent. You go to your bank account to make sure your money is finally there. Now, the amended tool, the Where is My Amended tool on the IRS.gov website, you can check the status of your amended tax return, and it also has the 3 stages as well. Receive if it's adjusted or completed, For instance, this one states, receive your amended tax return has been received and it is being processed. Remember, it takes 16 to 20 weeks for the IRS to complete your amended tax returns. You may also receive an amended return status update as adjusted. If you receive this particular status, that means the IRS may have adjusted your refund and they will mail you out a letter stating exactly what adjustments were made, so you continue to check your mail if you have that particular status. Now, on your IRS online transcript, 576 mean refund held for review. If you're checking your IRS online transcript, this is a particular code that you will see if the IRS is reviewing your tax return. Also on your IRS online transcript, 810 refund freeze. That means the IRS is holding your refund because they are doing further review. They may be making changes or adjustments to your refund. And also on your IRS online transcript, 570 is additional account pending. They're doing a further review as well. Maybe you owe additional taxes. Maybe they are adjusting your refund. These are all IRS online transcript codes where you can check the status of your refund as well. If you have been waiting way beyond the normal 21 days, if you're under review, you have already received a 60-day notice, 90-day notice. If you are beyond the 121 days, try calling the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance at 1-877-777-4778. The Taxpayer Advocate Service can assist you with your delayed tax return. They work directly with the IRS. All right. Now, the next expected direct deposit date shared is April 26, 2023. Make sure to share with us in the comments if you have received an expected direct deposit date for April 26. Now, the IRS has updated the delayed tax return numbers, and they are currently at 2.3 million unprocessed individual tax returns, and that includes 2022 and 2021 returns. 1.7 million returns require error correction, and 600,000 are paper returns waiting to be processed. This is a slight increase from last week when they reported on April 1st that they had 2.26 million returns on processed returns. So there is a slight increase. Now, the amended returns, the delayed amended returns, the number is currently at 1.22 million on processed forms 1040X. So there is an increase for both the regular tax returns as well as the amended tax returns are also increasing and taking more than the normal time frame. All right, more people are filing their tax returns. The IRS is pulling more returns for review. Now, that brings us to the end of this tax refund 2023 update. Make sure to share any information that you have with your fellow taxpayers, and don't forget to like